Fever India.
Corona examination in just 20 minutes. This blood test will reduce infection speed. In order to curb the growing infection of the coronavirus, many experts have asked for emphasis on its investigation. Experts say that corona screening should be a priority for more people. The most commonly used RT-PCR test for corona examination, it takes more time. However, there have been several ways of giving the investigation report in a short time. In this series, researchers from Australia have devised a way to test the corona in just 20 minutes. According to the researchers, the corona can be examined through a blood test. Indeed, Australian researchers have developed a blood test that will tell whether the person concerned has developed a corona infection within 20 minutes. Researchers at Melbourne's Monash University have developed this type of blood test. He says that this method of investigation will be very helpful in preventing the rapid growing corona infection worldwide. According to the researchers, only 25 microliters of plasma will be taken from the person's blood sample to test the corona. If a person has a corona infection, red blood cells will start appearing in bunches in the sample. It can usually be seen with eyes only. Researchers claim that it will take just 20 minutes to report corona positive or negative. It is known that the corona is currently being tested through a swab or PCR test, which is taking time. The researchers claim that through this new blood test, 200 blood samples can be tested in an hour. In many hospitals where high diagnostic machines are available, 700 blood samples can be tested in an hour. That is, if viewed by day, 16,800 tests can be done in 24 hours. Researchers say that this method of investigation will be especially helpful for those countries which are greatly affected by corona infection. On maximum investigation, corona cases will be revealed as soon as possible and treatment of the patient can be started as soon as possible. Such methods can be very effective in checking the speed of corona infection in short time. Researchers have currently applied for a patent for this new investigation. It is being said that soon its commercial use will be started on a large scale.
Thank you for being with us and get connected.